everyone, welcome to the story time, and the story for today is Who Will Bell the Cat? Are you excited to know what it will be? The characters in this story are a cat and some rats. Now listen to the story carefully. Once upon a time, there was a big shop in a small town. Plenty of rats lived in that shop. They spoiled the stock of the bags kept at the shop. They wasted fruits, biscuits, rice, wheat, everything. The shopkeeper got worried about the huge loss. He decided to bring a cat to the shop to chase away the rats. The next day, he brought a big fat cat to the shop. The cat began to catch and kill the rats every day. The rats became worried. They called a meeting to discuss the problem. "Let us get rid of this cruel fat cat," said the leader of the rats. "But how?" asked the other rats. Suddenly, the leader of the rat brought a golden bell and said, "We will tie this bell around the cat's neck. When the cat comes, the bell will ring, so we can run away." The rats became very happy and began to dance in pleasure. Suddenly, an old rat said, "The idea is good, but who will bell the cat?" All fell silent. At that time, a small, smart rat said, "I will bell the cat." Just then, the big cat came with loud noise. Meow, meow. Seeing the tiny rat, the cat decided to catch him and kill him. But the small rat was very intelligent. He looked at the cat admiringly and said, "Oh dear cat, what a beautiful glossy coat you have. Look, I have brought something for you." The tiny rat gifted a golden bell to the cat and said, "It will add more to your beauty if you tie this on your neck." Hearing these flattering words, the big fat cat was impressed and took the bell. Soon the small rat jumped on the cat and tied the bell to its neck. From then on, whenever the cat was around, all the rats would hear the sound of the bell and disappeared from the place. The rat realized that even though the smart rat was tiny, he showed the courage to face the challenge and save his companions. The moral of the story is, no matter how big or small we are, we should learn to overcome small challenges in life, because we grow when we face challenges. Now we have a worksheet. Color the dots in blue and find the hidden picture. Children, you can see some dots here and there. You have to color the dots with blue color crayon and find the hidden picture. I hope you enjoyed the story. See you in the next class. Bye.